Avi Levi with Levi Design Build. I'm here at Mission Hills at one of our new projects, convert a garage to an ADU. And this is here the garage behind me. It's a detached one, and it's detached from this house here behind me. So we have explored with the owner a few options of maybe expanding the garage to this side over here, or maybe even expanding it to the back and creating a bigger unit that can be a one bedroom, one bathroom, possibly about 600 square feet. The garage itself is almost 400 square feet. After doing some numbers in terms of the cost and the return on investment and how it's going to affect this house here that is detached from it, because this house is also being rented, the owner have decided to go with a straight garage conversion to a studio apartment. And makes more sense in terms of cost of investment and return on investment, and the fact that it won't interrupt with this main house that is also renting out. Into the previous video, I was talking about and showing the actual garage that we're going to convert. In here you can see the 3D renderings and designs we worked on, which the owner approved. On the previous video I was explaining that we were exploring the option of doing a garage addition this way and also this way to make the unit a little bit bigger. However, after the owner sat down and did numbers on what he can get on a rent return compared to what he's going to be investing out of pocket, the numbers didn't make any sense to do the addition, just because the main house here is rented, and if he's going to take that backyard or this yard here, it would need to give a lower rent for the tenants over here. So overall it made sense just to go with the garage conversion. So as you can see, this is the garage that is being converted, detached from the main house. That's the front of it. That's the side where they're going to have the windows. This is the floor plan layout. As you can see, once you walk in, you have a kitchen with a breakfast bar. You have a living room bedroom combination. It's an open concept. It's a studio apartment. A stackable washer and dryer, closet, and a full bathroom. The house is over here, and that's the backyard of the house, the main house. That's the floor plan in 3D. In here we have, again, and that's the entrance, kitchen, bathroom, stackable washer and dryer, closet, bedroom, living room combination. That's a view look to the living room bedroom combination. And this is the kitchen. As you can see, it's a full-size kitchen. It has everything you need to have in a kitchen. It's a full-size fridge. You have a cooktop, a stove, the stackable washer and dryer over here. When the owner did numbers and he consulted with his real estate agent, he got to an understanding that the rent he can collect on this studio apartment is going to be anywhere between $1,500 to $1,600, with a total investment out of pocket between design, planning, permitting, and city fees, construction, and overheads. He was looking at just shy from $90,000. That's not a bad return on investment. Right now we're just got an approval on those designs, and it's going to move from here to architectural drawings, structural drawings, Title 24, which we're going to explore in the next video and explain about it a little bit more. And after that, it's going to be submitted to the city so the city can review it, approve it, and issue a construction permit. In this video, I'll review the plans that were completed and submitted for plan check with the city. First, let's start with the architectural drawings. architectural drawings are basically showing the floor plan layout and elevations of the garage. It's going to show the existing and the proposed garage conversion. In this case, you can see here we have the plot map, which site plan, which shows the lot, the existing main house, entrance to the main house. This is the existing garage. This lot is a corner lot, and the access to the garage is from this side, from this street over here. And the proposed essentially is the same, since we're not making any exterior changes, we're not adding the footprint of the garage. So it's the same, it just shows that this is the existing and this is the proposed, which is the same. Over here, we're going to see the some of the elevations and floor plans of the garage. So as you can see, this is the existing garage that we're proposing to have as an ADU. This is the interior floor plan. If you remember from the previous video, I've presented that as soon as you walk in, you have a kitchen, a full bathroom, and a bedroom living room combination with a small peninsula for sitting and eating breakfast. You're gonna see here also, I'll zoom in a little bit, just a second. You're gonna see here what's called windows and door schedule. Basically, those are the sizes and types of the windows and the doors. You're gonna see here the exterior elevation of the garage, of where we're gonna put those doors and windows. This is how it is right now with the garage door. Those are all the green building codes that we need to add to be part of the plans. Next is our structural engineering drawings. And this is mainly going to be related to foundation reinforcement and framing changes that we're doing on the property. In this case, and I'll zoom in just a second. Okay, so in this case, you can see that this is the existing slab on grade for the garage, and all those HDUs that you see, those are all the the framing reinforcement that needs to take place. That's where we're adding additional framing to create the bathroom over here, the washer and dryer over here, the closet over here. If I go down a little bit more, this is here. I'm going to show how the roof framing is. And again, going back over here, as you can see, framing and foundation. Okay, and then on the next page, we're going to have the details. Those are basically the more details that the contractor will need for working on the framing and foundation. It's going to give him the instructions of how to do those connections of those different foundation adding and the framing reinforcement that has been requested with a different hardware that the engineer is asking him to use. And lastly, we're going to have here, this is the Title 24 energy calculations. The first page basically is going to show different calculations of walls, attic, space that needs to be heated and cooled, amount of fixtures that needs to get hot water. But on the last page of it, you can see here This is a summary of it. It's going to show the type of insulation that needs to be used in the walls and the ceiling, what type of roof. In here we're going to have the type of HVAC system, the heating and cooling, which in this case it's a mini split unit that's going to provide both cooling and heating. And it's going to show the type of water heating that needs to be done. So this is a complete set, and once this set is done, usually we need to take it to the city and submit it for plan check within their offices. Now, with the existing coronavirus that is out there, the way it's being done right now is the city is allowing us to do all of our submissions online. This one was actually just submitted yesterday online, and once we're submitting the plans online for a plan check, basically you can see here, this is confirming that the project was submitted, reference number. Basically, it's done online. Within 2 days, we should hear back that they received everything they needed, or if there's any additional documents they're going to need from us. And from there, it's going to move on to plan check. And on the previous videos, I showed you the designs, the plannings, and the different plans that were submitted to the city. Right now, owner got a permit approximately 2 weeks ago. On this project, the owner is going to act as a owner builder, owner developer. He's hiring different subcontractors for the different trades. We're actually helping him and giving him consultation and holding his hand when he has questions. So far, I know that he hired a demolition contractor and a foundation contractor. It's one guy that is doing both. He's doing his excavation and foundation. Let's go see what they were able to do so far. So, as we approach, you can see that his foundation contractor has dug up the footings, placed the rebars across the front of the garage, where the garage door is, to add the foundation. This way they can build the wall. If we walk around the side, you can see that he already dug up his sewer line. And it's going all the way to the front because the closest sewer line is in the front of the house. Come back for another update in about a week or so to see how they're doing on the inside. So I'm here to do another visit to the ADU garage conversion in Mission Hills. Last time I was here, they were digging the foundation, putting the rebars for putting the foundation, digging the trench for sewer line. I got here a few weeks into the project now. Looks like there's a really awesome progress. Let me take you in and I'll show you what's going on over here. So first thing, as you can see, where the garage door was, there's already a wall with an entrance door. The foundation that was poured over here, that's where the new stem wall is. The trench that was here is already covered. That was the trench for the sewer line. Framing is done. Windows are in place. This is where the living space is going to be. Electrical is in works. That's where the kitchen is going to be. With the sink here. Bathroom, it's going to be here. As you can see, all drainage and water lines already in place. Recess lights. now working on getting all the outlets and light switches in place. I'll come back here for another visit. Hopefully there's going to be some more major progress. Okay, so we're starting outside. This is the front. That's the main house here, but this is the front of the garage conversion. That's going to be the ADU. Last video you were seeing that it was framed. Now the paper is going up, and then after that wire is going to go up so stucco can be done. Let's go inside. All the plumbing and electrical is basically done. As you can see, all wiring, including recessed lights, are in place. This is where the stackable washer and dryer are gonna go. Kitchen plumbing is done. Bathroom with a tub in place. Toilet, sink is gonna be here. And as soon as the paper is going to be finished to be placed up, still working on the paper over here, wire is going to go up, and then insulation is going to go in, and the next inspection can be called so the inspector can check and make sure everything is ready so they can hang the drywall and start stucco the exterior of the unit. So the first thing you can notice that there's wire already on the exterior wall, ready to get the first coat of stucco. When we're gonna go in, you'll notice that the unit is fully insulated, walls and ceilings. It's already passed those inspections for all the insulation, wiring of the exterior. So now basically it's ready that drywall is going to be hung. First coat of stucco to take place. And then of course after, another inspection for the first layer of stucco, another inspection for the nailing of the drywall, and after all those are done, basically finishes can start taking place, meaning finishing by putting mud on the drywall, priming it, painting it, finishing other layers of stucco on the exterior and painting it, starting installing floors, baseboards, cabinetries, bathroom finishes, and so on. So as you can see, the exterior still hasn't got the first coat of stucco, still waiting on that. However, when we're gonna go inside, we can see that drywall is up. Wait, there we go. All the drywall is installed and is ready for inspection. When you see those different colors of drywall, the purple drywall is for wet areas. Every time you have a wet area, you're using a drywall that is mold resistant. You have it here for the washer and dryer, and here for the kitchen area. On the inspection, when the inspector is going to come, he's going to check the nailing. He's going to want to make sure that there's an 8-inch between the nails. Inside the bathroom, you can see that tile work is already underway. Exterior, as you can see, stucco is up. Still need to get the final coat on it, but all the stucco is done. That's where the garage door was. Now it's the front of the unit with the front entrance. Let's go to the side so I can show you what was done here on the side. So this is the main water goes in, main gas goes in. The trench that was dug was here. The sewer line goes to the front. This is the new panel that connects to the main home panel, the main home panel box for electricity. Over there you can see this is a tankless water heater. Let's go inside. So inside, paint is in progress. It's done. Let's go into the bathroom. Bathroom is completely done with a tile, tub, floors. This is where the toilet is going to be connected. Vanity connection. Up here we have a fan for the bathroom. Go outside, see the kitchenette area. We have the cabinets installed. Still need to have countertop, sink, and connection of appliances. Over here we're gonna have a stove. Next to it is a small fridge. Above the stove is where we have a connection ready for having a duct to go outside to the cooking station. This is where the bedroom situation is going to be. Living room situation. That's basically it. Look, the unit is on final stages of getting all the finishes done. Still have trims, floors, connecting the appliances, connecting the mini split unit, and then going through final inspection. I'll be back here in a couple of weeks to see the final progress on it. Entrance door. When we enter, you can see that the kitchen countertop is complete. Faucet installed, sink installed. Fridge is going to be here. Above it, next to it, is going to be a cooktop, and above it, a micro hood. They're here waiting to be installed. Bathroom finished. Tub filler, shower head, toilet installed, vanity in place. Mini split AC unit. Closet door that's going to be installed over here for the closet. Washer and dryer. Hookups ready. I believe one of those should be the washer and dryer over here. That's basically it. Getting final work done and getting ready for final inspection. That will then provide the certificate of occupancy. So I just arrived to our Mission Hills garage conversion to an ADU. It's really coming along together. It's on the final steps of getting all the finishes, appliances and everything installed, getting it ready for a final inspection. Let me take you inside so I can tour you around, see what's being done over there. I would say it's probably about a week from completion and getting a final inspection called. Very excited over here. Let me take you inside and I'll show you. Okay, so let's walk inside. This is the exterior where the front door is. This is a corner lot, remember, so the garage is sitting on the corner. As soon as you walk in, you have the living room situation here with the bedroom in the back over here. The mini split AC here. Closet, stackable washer and dryer. This is where we're having our kitchen, full-size kitchen, fridge, cooktop, micro hood. And the bathroom, full bathroom with a tub, vanity, tub and a shower combo. This unit the owner is gonna rent on a long term, not a short term. This is why it's not with furniture. The tenant is going to be the one to bring in their own furniture. This is it. This is a wrap on this garage conversion to an ADU. More coming up.